Stuck with the core process and threads, API DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for core process and threads API in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the core process and threads API, a foundational API shim for threading. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of process execution and thread scheduling, facilitating the core system data link manifest. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. API-MS WinCore Process Threads L110 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the core process and threads API file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be aware that manual fixes for core process and threads API DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to core process and threads API. If core process and threads API is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.